Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Joy and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use rice water on my natural hair. I usually use rice water about 2 times a month, and I do it when I start to see a little bit more than normal hair shedding. So that's the sole purpose of what I use it for. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make it, how I apply it to my hair, and how I incorporate it in my wash day routine. So if you're interested, keep on watching the video and let's get started. Alright guys, so here I just have a bag of regular white rice and I'm pouring it into a 1 cup measuring cup, and I'm going to place it in a bowl so that way I can rinse the rice off just to get that first layer of film off of the rice. And then I'm going to just swish it around, make sure to get it clean. Then I'm going to pour out that excess water so I can go ahead and get ready to put the rice inside of my jar. So I'm just going to scoop it out and put it inside of my mason jar. Again, this is just 1 cup of rice. At the end of the day, I really don't think that it matters how much you put in it, just as long as it's not too much for the size jar that you have, and it's not too little if you have, if you have a big jar, it's not too little. So here I'm just putting some water in there, and I'm going to put the lid on, seal it up, and then shake it a little bit so that way the rice can mix with the water. Now I did this on Wednesday, so normally I let mine sit for about maybe 24 to 48 hours and let it ferment. So now today is wash day, and just a word of caution, there is a very strong odor with this. You're more than welcome to put some type of essential oil in it to kind of curb the smell, but it does smell really strong. It doesn't really bother me all that much, so I don't do anything like that, but I'm just pouring it into an empty spray bottle just to make it easier for me to spray and distribute out throughout my hair and shake it up a little bit. So here, this is after I finish washing and conditioning my hair. I'm going to go in and spray the rice water on my hair while my hair is still wet. I make sure I get on my scalp, at the roots, at my ends, and down the entire length of my hair. And I already have it sectioned out because it just makes it easier. And I'm going to just spray it all throughout my hair, section by section, make sure it's coated. And like I said, the spray bottle just makes it super easy to get it on your hair instead of just kind of pouring a bowl on your hair.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
All engine running. Liftoff.
So after I'm done spraying down each section, I'm going to put on a conditioning cap, sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes and let it sit. And then after that 30 minutes is over, I'm going to rinse this out with cool water and go into just styling my hair just normally like I would. After this, after I rinse it out, I'm gonna blow dry my hair, stretch it out, and then that's going to complete my wash day. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and a comment if you thought this video was helpful, or if you yourself use rice water in your wash day regimen. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if it worked for you, what doesn't work. And then also too, I wanted to show you guys, this is pretty much, in case anyone wanted to see, this is pretty much what my hair shed looks like after a wash day. And this is the washing, the detangling, and the blow dry, the combing. After all it's done, this is usually the amount of shedding that I have, so it's very minimal. So this is the main reason why I use the rice water, because normally if I don't, then the shedding would be 4 times this amount. So so yeah, it really does work for me. So if it works for you, great. In no way am I saying that it will work for everyone. This is just what I do for my hair, and it works for me to limit the amount of shedding that I have. So again, if you guys enjoyed this video and if it was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.